My name is Jack Tseng. I'm an associate professor of vertebrate paleontology in the Department of Integrative Biology and a curator in the Museum of Paleontology, both at the University of California, Berkeley. I oversee the Functional Anatomy and Vertebrate Evolution Laboratory, where students and postdocs research the evolution of form-function relationships in a variety of vertebrate animal study systems. In this study, we examine the level of tooth wear and the relative efficiency and strength of lower jaws of 5 living hypercarnivore species and 1 extinct hyena-like carnivore, the hyenodon. We coded tooth wear into 3 categories: minimal, moderate, and extensive, and quantified jaw performance using a computer simulation method called finite element analysis. This simulation method uses digital models of objects, in our case, 2-dimensional jaw models, constructed from 2D scans, and produces estimates of the stress response to prescribed input forces. We compared tooth wear and jaw mechanics of hypercarnivore species and studied the extent to which tooth and jaw data are correlated to each other as predators wear down their teeth. We found that living bone-cracking hyenas and the fossil carnivore hyenodon both showed a significant correlation between improved jaw performance and increased tooth wear. However, spotted hyenas show this correlation in their molar teeth, whereas hyenodons show this correlation in their canine teeth. On the other hand, scavengers like striped hyenas and brown hyenas and meat specialists like lions and cheetahs do not show this correlation. Our findings provide one of the first direct comparisons between tooth wear and jaw mechanical performance in hypercarnivores. A conventional approach in studying animal form and function has been to focus on fully grown adult examples of a particular species. However, we know that tooth wear and tear is ubiquitous among mammals. Our results highlight the biomechanical consequences of that tooth wear and tear and point out the importance of examining growth series when studying functional morphology. On the topic of carnivore jaw functional morphology, we hope readers are able to appreciate the findings as another great example of form-function decoupling, where the continuous shifts in dental morphology from wear are only sometimes reflected in shifts in jawbone performance. More generally, we also hope to demonstrate the fact that new scientific insights can be gained from combining previously siloed domains of knowledge. In our case, examining tooth wear and jaw biomechanics in the same framework allowed us to come to the conclusion of a form-function decoupling for meat specialists, but a form-function coupling phenomenon for bone-specializing predators.